All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. It is the SL all-wheel drive model, this beautiful blue with black leather interior, third row seatings, backup camera, alloy wheels, 20,000 miles, roof racks, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Does have a navy system. Super nice. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Does have like one little road chip, 2, 3, 4 little chips, 5 little chips. Fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see any curbing. Tire tread. It's just under 730 seconds. Let me double check that. That's right, just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And it's quarter. Looks pretty nice. It's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread. Over 730 seconds. See a heavy scratch here, about 4 inches. Boom. That's on the bumper. There's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Does have memory seating. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, rips. Looks great. It is a powered seat. We jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. This vehicle does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. I believe it even has your the window stickers still. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. This is, of course, your Navi system. You got your AC controls right down, dual AC controls and rear AC controls. You got heated seats right there. You got your all-wheel drive system right here. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 19,968. Looks good. Keep it moving. Got a little power button here. Oh wow, it's got heated steering wheel, which I didn't realize that. That's a good feature. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrested cup holders. Does have rear AC vents, rear AC heated seats. I'm sorry, rear AC vents, controls, and rear heated seats. Your rear bumper, your rear third row seat looks good with no holes, no tears, no rips. Coming around, rear bumper looks great with the sensors. Your rear trunk space and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. This does fold down. Check the pictures. I do take pictures of that so you guys can see. A little storage compartment there. Little power button here for the lift, which looks pretty good. Just a little some wax that is just sitting there. I have one of my guys wipe that off. This quarter looks good. This rear passenger seat, rear passenger rim, it looks good. Tire tread, over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's the front passenger, the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger seat looks good. No holes, no tears, no rips. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. It's a little dent here. Oh, I see a little dent here. No paint off, about 2 inches. Oh, about an inch, I mean. And here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire tread. Just under 730 seconds. Some more wax there. Pretty much completes the tour. Headlights are working. Car is on. Things are freaking beautiful. Folks, once again, a 2018 Nissan Pathfinder SL all-wheel drive model with 20,000 miles or 19,000 miles. If you guys get any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.